Hey guys, what's going on? It's your boy Troy again, back with another video. And in this video, I want to show you all of the starter packages for ibuumerang and how you can get started. Which one's best for you? We're going to find that out today. And at the end of this video, stick to the end because I'm going to tell you my little story on how I got up and upgraded to the first class package. Listen guys, first class is where you want to be, and I'm going to show you why. Alright, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so here we have it right now. So our first class in ibuumerang is called standby. Now standby is basically where everyone starts. You start at $49.95, and that's per month. What do you get with standby? You get one boomerang customer site. Okay, you get 5 boomerangs to send out every month as you pay your $59 a month. Okay, excuse me, $49.95 a month. Take that back. And you get 25% of the referral commissions. You get the I Decide interactive presentation. That's one of the tools we use to expose people to the business. And then you get the TSA online management system, which is right here. And like I said, we're going again. That's $49.95 as a monthly subscription fee. So that's the cost to be in business with ibuumerang. Okay, this is the bare minimum. Everyone who gets an ibuumerang starts at this standby option right here. Okay, but you know, standby hurts. I was on standby once upon a time. It was about 2 years ago. The weather was real bad, and we were going to a conference in Dallas, Texas, and our flight and everything canceled the night before. So we were scrambling, me and my girlfriend, trying to find a flight out of New York City, and it just was not happening. So we ended up getting a flight out in Philly, and we went to Philly, and we were on standby. We had to wait in that airport maybe about 6-7 hours before we can get on the plane. So standby, you're not even on the plane, guys. You're waiting for a seat to get on the plane. So standby is not where you want to be in ibuumerang. It's beautiful to get started there, but you don't want to stay there. But if you can get started, start off on a right foot if you can. So I'm going to go show you the next classes we have. So we have a coach class, business class, and first class. Okay, so at the coach class you get 10 boomerangs right here. Okay, you get travel saving bonuses, 50% on hotels, rental cars, and cruises. Okay, and the dual team bonuses, there's a dual team part of this compensation plan, and you get 10% of the dual team. And when you get in the coach class, your business volume is 200 in business volume, but the cost of coach class is a one-time fee of $250. Every month after that is a $100 fee. Okay, and for business class, we have business class. You get what everything coach class has plus the cruises. Okay, and in business class you get 25 boomerangs to start off. Now that's 25 people you can help give boomerangs to so they can save money on their travel. Okay, and you get travel savings bonuses 100% on hotels, rental cars, and cruises. Okay, and you get 12% of the dual team bonuses. So you get VIP level reservations. So basically what this means is that for luxury experiences, you'll find out about those experiences 1 week before those who have the coach class package. Okay, 1 week before. This right here, business class, is worth $500 one time, and that's $100 a month after that. Now 400 BV is the business volume. You'll get $400 in volume. Okay, when you first purchase that business class for that month. Okay, and like I said, after you get business class, is $100 a month after that, and then it'll be $100 BV every single month after that. So, but the granddaddy of them all right here, this is where you want to be. This is our first class package. This is where you want to be in ibuumerang. This is where I am. So you get everything coach and business class have. And now in addition to that, you get homes, weeks, marketplace. You have access to the marketplace, which is like the golfing, and you get access to a wine club and a whole bunch more. Gift cards. There's a lot of things in the marketplace area. Lifestyle, and you have access now to timeshares. Okay, so what you do is when you first start at first class, you'll get 50 boomerangs. Okay, 100% of the travel saving bonuses on all eligible travel and activities, and for a limited time. We don't know how long this is going to be up. The company is still in pre-launch. The CEO of the company, Mr. Holtenbug, says this: for first class, you can actually get 20% of the dual team compensation plan. Okay, now what does this mean? For all the work that you're going to do, you're going to have a left team and a right team. I don't want to get too heavy into the teams, but just know you have a left team and a right team, okay? Just know that if you have volume coming in from both sides, the percentages where you see 10%, 12%, 20%, that's the percentage of the volume you're going to be able to get paid on. Why do a whole bunch of work for only 10% with coach class? You're going to do the same amount of work. So wouldn't you rather get paid 20%? Who wouldn't? And the 20% is only for the first year, and then after that, it drops back down to 15%. You see, what the company is doing is you're able to get 20% on the dual team bonuses for a year. If you don't get first class, the only other way to get 20% is to reach a certain level in the company. Okay, so you got a head start on the dual team business side and payment side of this platform. And you also get the VIP level 1 reservations, and you found out 2 weeks about the luxury experiences 2 weeks before coach class, and I want to say 1 week before business class. So, and with this, it costs $1,000 one time. That's what I paid, $1,000 one time, and then now that's all out of the way, and I pay $100 per month. But the first time I purchased it, I got $800 in business volume. Okay, so that's why you want to go first class. You get more for the work that you're going to put in anyway. So if you're going to put in any work, you might as well get paid the most for the amount of work you're going to put in. Okay, now my story is this: I got in just like everyone else. I got in at standby. I started at $50 a month. Now, at the time, I was just, I was like, let me get in this thing and test this thing out. I couldn't stay on standby too long because within a couple days of me trying this system out, I got rid of my 5 boomerangs that I was able to send. I needed more boomerangs. So I got rid of those 5, and then I upgraded to coach class right here. After I upgraded to coach class, I got 5 more boomerangs, which equals the 10 that you see right here. Okay? Now, with me getting those extra 5 boomerangs, I got rid of those 5. So I was like, man, these things don't last but 2 seconds. Just me asking people if they want to save. People want to save money. So I give them out and they're all gone, and now I need more boomerangs. How do I get more boomerangs? I upgrade. So what did I do? The following week, I upgrade to business class. And I got 10 plus 15 more. So I got 15 more boomerangs, which equaled to 25. And that took me about another week and a half to get rid of those 15 boomerangs, to hand them all out to my people. After I hand that out, another 2 weeks later, I upgraded myself to first class, and I got rid of all of those boomerangs, and right now I'm currently at 96. I'm at 100 boomerangs given out, but I have 96 customers that are actually activated and ready to go. So guys, Get started now. Don't wait. The company is still in pre-launch, okay? You're basically at the ground floor, okay? At the ground floor of this company. And we, like I said, we're still in pre-launch. Barely anyone knows about it. We have just over 30,000 representatives in the entire globe right now, and it's in over 130 something countries, okay, and counting. So, I mean, to only have 30,000, listen, I'm in Brooklyn, New York, and we have over 2 million people in Brooklyn, New York. So 30,000 is just crazy how close we are to the literally just this literally the beginning stages of this company. And we have the best leadership we can even find, and especially in the person named Mr. Holton Buggs, which is our CEO, the creator of ibuumerang. Okay, this gentleman is the Michael Jordan of network marketing. If you think NBA, you think Michael Jordan. If you think network marketing, you think Mr. Holton Buggs. He is the top income earner in the amount of time that he did it in the history of network marketing. And think about this, guys. Did the creator of Uber give you that phone call? Did the creator of Uber make a video so you can see to invite you to participate in making money from Uber? No, they didn't. Did Mark Zuckerberg call you for the Facebook meeting? No, he didn't. Right now, you have an opportunity, and you're looking at something before the masses sees it. This company is getting ready to blow up. I heard some say, it was an update on one of the calls I was listening to, and they said, we have done in about 4 months what Amazon and Uber took 2 years to do in terms of their customer base. We have well over 100,000 customers in our customer base already, and we're in pre-launch. Can you imagine what this company is going to do in the near future? It's going to be bananas. So you guys, listen, you're seeing this now. Don't be that person that says, oh yeah, I'm gonna look around, I'll wait another month or 2 or 3 or 4, and then 2 years later you're still not in, and then you look back and said, man, I see all of this growth. I saw this 2, 3, 4, 5 years ago, and I could have been in, and I could have been participating and enjoying this platform and helping others make an income and helping others save on this platform. Guys, listen, get started today. Do whatever you got to do. I am here to help. I am one of the easiest people you can talk to. I'm ready to do calls over Zoom, over the phone. I am available. Whatever you need, I will help. Okay, so this is Troy again, and I thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.